Well, hey family, have Tuesday. This is Darlene. So I have a friend and she wants a multicolor bracelet. So she wants a multicolor bracelet and she said, "Can you put a whole lot of charms on it?" So what I did is I used one of the 25 millimeter black and white beads that I painted. And then what I did, I went ahead and doubled it. So I basically took, let's see if I can find some. So I basically cut two pieces of stretch cord, right, the same length, and then I went ahead and just put them both through the bead like that. And then I went ahead and just strung each string with the beads. So I ended up with double, like what you see right here, right? So I like the way this looks. If this is not gypsy, I don't know what is, right? So she said, I want a lot of charms on it. So right here, I'm going to put some more charms. And then as you go around, you could just see charms. It almost puts you in the mind of, one of those skirts that got the little fringes on the end of it. That's what this kind of puts me in the mind of. I really like the way it came out. So she said, a lot of charms. I want a lot of charms. So she wanted all the colors with a lot of charms. And even like right here, I'm going to probably put a couple more charms. You can see I got the little puka with the rhinestones. And then we just got a lot of everything. So right here needs to be filled in a little bit. Everything else looks really nice and full. And then on this side, I'll put some more. But I really do like the way the bracelet came out. I was going to, so right here, so when you got the double, so it's two, and then it's two. And then what I did is I took the ends from each side and put it through that one bead that has this really big hole in it, and then went ahead and tied it. And then you end up with, oh, you probably can't see that, but then you end up with a nice big knot that's inside of that one bead. And then you end up with this. So another thing too, though, if you happen to make these 2-strand charm bracelets, before you tie it, you can take both strands and then twist them like you wrapping them almost like a twist braid, and then these will be twisted instead of straight like how I have them, but you can twist them. But I really do like the way this came out. I wasn't sure how it was going to come out, so I didn't videotape myself doing it. I didn't want to take an hour trying to figure something out on video, but I am going to come back with a video showing how I made these. If you guys want to see how I made it, let me know in the comment section. But I really, really do like this. More charms here. I can see more charms, and then more charms here. And then I am sure she will be absolutely pleased. So look at it, how you can see nice and full. You can see how it is, just really nice and full. So I'm sure she'll really like this one. This is really, really nice. Um, you can almost get away with making it a 3-strand because, of course, the hole is so big on this 25 millimeter bead, right? So might be able to get away with a 3-strand, and then maybe put the charms on each one of the strands. In this case, I went ahead and doubled them, took it over, just both because the jump rings are so big. Ooh, but I really like the way this looks. I really love this. I really like this. This is real nice. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another one of these to sell. I got some more beads that I painted, so I can actually use, shoot, this would have even been pretty, look, with this bead. So I am getting ready to make some more of these. I could already see that right now. I really like these. So I'm going to use some different beads. And then some of the black beads. You can see how that will look with the black bead. Oh, yeah, definitely. But I really like this. You guys let me know what you think. And it fits comfortably, too. Oh, and also right here, I went ahead to break it up. So you got 2, 4, 2, 4, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 5 beads. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 beads here. And then I went ahead and broke it up. So took the string, the cord, and then took it through one big bead on the side, and then went ahead and doubled it all again, just to break it up. But I really like this one. You guys let me know what you think. Gardening Knife with Jerry by BDK. We'll talk.